Welcome back to part 2 of the epic NZ South Island adventure. We camped in a few places on the way down, like this, a walking trail, a local park, a shelter, but eventually we ended up here, Queenstown. This was our camp, absolute views, 100% free, and at night as well, absolutely stunning. No one else, just quiet. First new location in Queenstown, I think it was called Eagle's Nest. Really nice crag at sunset. And then we jumped onto Arrow Slabs the next day. Very young crag, ever evolving under your feet as you climb it. Then it was New Year's Eve, so we had to celebrate. Got heaps of videos, but this photo pretty much sums up the night. And how we got back to camp that night is the following.
Let's go. Let's go. Bro, grab the fixed line. It's chill.
Next day, woke up feeling great, obviously, so decided to punish ourselves by getting out in the rain and jumping into the ice-cold Queenstown Lake. It was pretty sick though.
Alrighty. Except my fucking phone's a bit blurry.
That day was a rest day and raining, so we also played some epic frisbee golf that day. Next day was a climbing day. Morning shower in the ice-cold waterfall. How good. We spent the day at this crag near Coronet Peak. Almost died coming off this route as the rope got cut along the rock. This was a really enjoyable climb, but super sketchy to get down.
I saw you.
Next day we made the trek up to a beautiful spot called Y Creek. Absolutely stunning, and we had a big crack on all the classic lines up there. I think this route was called Proud Monkey. Was a crazy overhung 21, big signature of Y Creek. If you're in New Zealand, you have to do. Really stoked to get this climb done on site, on lead. Big picture perspective of what the climb looks like from afar after you top out. So by now we were itching to get up on a big multi-pitch again. We were looking through our guidebook and we finally fell upon the Gatekeeper, which we thought looked like a great climb, so we headed out to do that. Woke up that morning, beautiful day. Opened a secret gate and drove our car through it to get into a random paddock.
Is this your farm, mate? See you, bro.
Then we followed the directions of our book.
Not yet.
Yeah, doggy.
Yeah, dog.
Oh yeah. What no one tells you about New Zealand rock climbing is that spiky bush is sometimes harder than the actual rock climbing route. And this is a prime example of almost death from spiky bush.
Oh my god, it's at my chest. I'm gonna just break through. Come here, you got up there. Up there, the water bottle.
Spiky bush.
Oh, fucking nigga. Oh. You motherfucker!
Next day was an absolute cracker, so we decided to spend the day by the lake and free water deep solo some roots. Was really fun. Let them roll.
Palm that bush. Grab the rope. Whoa, he's got the mantle. Let's go. Go now. Oh! The boys are back in town.
Next day was a travel day from Queenstown to Christchurch, which is quite a long drive, but about 3/4 of the way through is a little place called Aoraki or Mount Cook, which is a beautiful mountain range, which also happens to have one of the best multi-pitches, quite easy, called Rederet at the start and basin of the valley. And we decided to go there on the way, wake up Francois in the back of the car, and go and climb it for an afternoon evening sunset. It was an absolute sprint up there and one of the best climbs we did. At this point, we'd finally made it back to Christchurch, where we initially arrived a month earlier. We had one more thing in our list to tick off, which was Paraki Valley, a nice long slabby multi-pitch that hadn't been climbed in quite a long time and required some serious route navigation to get there. But as you'll see, I'll let the clips roll, we made it and we did it, which was awesome.
When the church bell rung, stayed up on the tower in the dying sun. Now come on, woman, come, follow me home.
Rocky Valley type shit. On site.
Yeah, on site
Except
free.
for Francois.
We